Welcome, welcome, fellow broke billionaires in the making. Today, we're learning money lessons from the only duck who can literally swim in coins without breaking his beak. Uncle Scrooge McDuck. Yes, that's me.
Scrooge, why don't they just print up a few billion or so?
A few billion? Oh, dear, no. My, that word billion, how it's abused. If it weren't so frightening, I'd be amused. Folks have no conception. We'd have inflation.
Inflation?
Ah, that's a mess. Your money would be worth less and less. I might take this hatful, I dare say, to buy what your piggy bank would buy today. $1 wouldn't be worth the paper it's printed on. Phew. But that's not today. Oh, Hootman, I might. It's what you can buy with what you've got. That's what counts.
First lesson, save like a psycho. Scrooge didn't become rich because he had a money bin. He had a money bin because he saved every dime. While we cry over Swiggy delivery fees, this duck counts his pennies like they're diamonds. Pro tip: saving isn't sexy until you're flexing in gold-plated feathers. Lesson 2: negotiation is a survival skill. Scrooge can outsmart anyone from Flintheart Glomgold to aliens demanding space tax. Moral of the story? If you can't negotiate, you'll end up buying overpriced NFTs of invisible socks. Lesson 3: invest, don't hoard. Yes, he loves gold, but he didn't get rich by just sitting on it like a greedy pigeon. He invested in railroads, mines, and even moon cheese once. So stop hoarding mutual fund brochures and start investing wisely.
And that's how I became rich, making the little slices grow. Money shouldn't be idle and must be put to work, you know.
Oh, yeah? How about all that idle dough you got stashed away?
Oh, no, lads. This is just petty cash. Moves in and out each day. If I sat on my money, I might just as well be stranded on a desert island for all the good 'twould do me. I couldn't eat it, couldn't wear it, couldn't use it. Oh, I can't bear it. Money should never stagnate, but like ocean currents, circulate. Like the ocean currents control the world's weather, you see, circulating money controls the economy. Money must keep moving to fulfill its obligation.
Lesson 4: wealth means nothing without people to share it with. Despite being stingy, Uncle Scrooge always backed Huey, Dewey, Louie, and Webby in every adventure. Money is awesome, but relationships? That's the real treasure. And finally, be frugal, not cheap. Uncle Scrooge doesn't spend recklessly, but when it matters, he invests. There's a difference between being smart with money and being the friend who splits a 35 Indian rupees coffee bill 4 ways.